Okay, let's consider the question that we have on the board on implicit differentiation. Here we are asked to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. That is, we are differentiating y with respect to x. Okay, let's start with this. We have x raised to the power of 4 plus y raised to the power of 4 equals to 28xy. How do we take the derivative of this function? Let's rewrite this function as this: x raised to the power of 4 plus y raised to the power of 4 minus 28xy equals to 0. Okay? Now, let us differentiate x raised to the power of 4. Differentiating x raised to the power of 4, we're going to have 4x raised to the power of 3. Okay? Let us differentiate y raised to the power of 4. If you differentiate y raised to the power of 4, you're going to have 4y raised to the power of 3. Now, because it is y that we are differentiating with respect to x, anytime we differentiate y in this function, we're going to multiply that derivative by dy all over the x. Okay, for this, I'm going to have multiplied by dy all over the x. Okay, now let's proceed to the last part of this function, negative 28xy. To differentiate negative 28xy, please pay attention. Put negative 28 like this, then open a big bracket. Differentiate xy using product rule. If you want to differentiate xy using product rule, you first have to keep it constant. Differentiate y. If you differentiate y, you're going to have what? 1, right? Now, that 1 multiplied by dy dx, that is what? Dy dx. So I'm going to have x multiplied by dy all over the x. Okay? Then as the addition sign, keep dy, keep it constant, differentiate x. If you differentiate x, we're going to have 1. So I'm going to have y times 1. Y times 1 is 1. Y times 1 is y. So I'm going to have this equals to what? 0. Okay, for this, I'm going to have 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 4y raised to the power of 3 dy all over the x minus 28x dy all over the x minus 28y equals to 0. Are you there? Now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that collect like terms. Are you getting it? Separate the term that is attached to dy dx. Separate them. So for this, I'm going to have 4y raised to the power of 3 dy all over the x minus 28x dy all over the x equals to, now this 4x to the power of 3, take it to the right hand side, is going to become negative 4x to the power of 3. Also, this negative 28y, take it to the right hand side, I'm going to have negative 28y or positive 28y because the sign is going to change. Okay, having gotten to this point, factorize dy dx. I'm going to have dy over the x multiplied by 4y to the power of 3 minus 28x equals to negative 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 28y. Okay, now divide both sides by 4y cubed minus 28x. I'm going to have dy over the x is equals to negative 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 28y all over 4y raised to the power of 3 minus 28x. Okay, for this, I'm going to have dy all over the x is equals to 4 multiplied by negative x raised to the power of 3, are you there, plus 7y all over 4 multiplied by 4, okay, y raised to the power of 3 minus 7, okay, minus 7x, okay. So dy all over the x will be equals to negative x to the power of 3 plus 7y, all this over y raised to the power of 3 minus 7x, okay. That is the final answer. Do you understand?
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.